Hey guys, I'm at the Grieve Parade level crossing in Altona, Victoria. This is a 2-gate, 2-signal level crossing on the Altona Loop, which is obviously a part of the Werribee line. This crossing a couple of months ago was upgraded with Westinghouse Gate Mechanisms, as you can see here, replacing the previous Westinghouse Gate Mechanisms. Other than that, the crossing hasn't really changed at all. So yeah, this first signal here has a unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a black with white writing stop red signal sign, 6 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse Crossarms, a standard crossbuck, a general signals E-bell, a Wishbone Gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights. The pedestrian crossing here has a unmarked base, a Westinghouse pedestrian gate mechanism with a yellow flat gate. This crossing is actually concreted, not rubber or what they usually use. That's looking towards Westona Station, which is just around the corner, and this is looking towards Altona and then obviously Melbourne later on. And this pedestrian signal here has a unmarked base, a Westinghouse pedestrian gate mechanism and a flat yellow gate, and this will be part of the other tour. Alright, and on this side of the crossing we have a unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a black with white writing stop red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, which is actually on the opposite side of the pole, a standard crossbuck, a general signals E-bell, a Wishbone Gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights. And the pedestrian crossing has 2 unmarked bases, 2 Westinghouse pedestrian gate mechanisms, and obviously the 2 flat yellow gates that you can see here. And the gateless signal here has a unmarked base, a black with white writing stop red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a standard crossbuck and a pole cap.